Hello everyone, my name is Ankit and welcome to the food delivery application design series. So in this video we are going to design payment option screens, payment preview screen, subscription screen and profile screens. So these are the four screens that we are going to learn to do today, and I hope you have watched the previous videos in which we learned to do splash screen, the login screen, the email, enter your email address screen, check your email for OTP screen, find restaurant near you screen, select a location, welcome to Hungry Hub, our home screen, menu screen, and customize as per your need screen, search screen. So these were the screens we did in the previous videos. So I will strongly suggest you to watch the previous video. If you're new to the channel, if you're new to this series, okay. So yeah, let's get started with our payment option screen. So first thing would be to click on tap on F on your keyboard and click on iPhone 14, 14 Pro Max. This is the screen we are on which we are doing all of our work, and change the name of the screen to payment options screen. Okay, now copy the status bar from the previous screen and paste it here. Given layout grid, okay. Payment options. Great. Give a text of 20 and change the text style to Poppins semi bold. Awesome. One item. Total rupees 464, or whatever is the total rupees, okay. And we are going to copy our rupees sign and paste it here. Great. Now duplicate as a shift alt option to duplicate the text, or duplicate any of the element in the Figma. Savings rupees 50. Great. Change the text uh, to 14, 16, 14. Yeah, 14 would be fine. Regular, regular. I think it should be medium, medium, medium. 4. Give subheading. Duplicate using Shift Alt option. Click this, click this, click this, click this, and click savings rupees 50 and click Shift A, and we have successfully created our auto layout. Give a spacing of 8. Awesome. Change the saving rupees 50 color to green, indicating green to being positive, and saving rupees 50 is like the positive for the user. So that's why you're changing it to green color, okay. Now click on R on your keyboard, create a rectangle of this size, okay. Now give the curve of 12 and corner smoothing 100%. Now we can remove the layout grid. We're just not removing it, but we're just hiding it, okay. Click on the payment option screen, go to fill. It's white right now, change the fill to BG. Great. Background color, and in the here we have our all the color. This is our primary color, this is green color, This is our background color, this is white, this is black, this is subheading. Okay, so in the previous video we did all these things. We added all of our colors to this local styles. So yeah, so I'll strongly suggest you to watch the previous videos before you continue watching this video. And if you've already watched the video, then great, let's work on our screens. FX, blur 14, I think 6 would be fine. T, tap on T, UPI, 16, semi-bold. Give the spacing of 8. Create a line, stroke. I think this stroke is too dark. I think this one is fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 3 is enough. 3. Create a square using R and shift option. Sorry. Tap on R key on your keyboard. Now we have selected our rectangle. Use shift plus option to proportionally create a square. Now give a curve of 4. Give a corner smoothing 100%, stroke of stroke, and white. Create another. Okay, now this is a rectangle. You can see here 1471. Command C, Command V. Now we have two rectangles, 1472. What we need to do here now is, no, I think we don't need to create another rectangle. You just need to go to components, resources, copy these, paste here. $20.20. Great. Now click text, phone, pay, UPI, medium. Awesome. Group this one and click Shift A, create an auto layout, give a spacing of 16, and Shift Option Alt to duplicate this one. Okay, and Google Pay. Now we can also change this to 2020. Command X, delete phone pay icon and paste Google Pay, Google icon. Okay, same here, duplicate using Shift Alt option, Paytm, UPI. Same here. delete this one, paste here. Okay. I think it's fine. Now we need to create another text name additional cash back up to ₹50. Change the text size to 12. I think 14 will be fine, or maybe 12. Okay, let's see which works better. Command X, paste here. Click both of these text and click Shift A. We created an auto layout. Now we have created a vertical auto layout. Decrease the spacing between them. The spacing will be 0. Changes to subheading. Great. Now duplicate this, add new UPI ID. Okay, and here is our UPI icon. Click the Google logo, add UPI logo. We need to decrease the size of the UPI logo. Yeah, I think now it's perfect. Add primary, give it bold 16. The reason we are using primary color because this is an action button. Okay, whenever there is an action, whenever there is a button, whether the button is outline button, where the button is just the tertiary button like this where just text, or whether the button is something like this or something like this tertiary button where they just numbers or icon, but these are like typable actionable things, then we are always going to use our primary color. There could be an exception, but 99% of the time we are just going to use our primary color. Primary color shows that this is an actionable button. Click on this shows that if you click on see all restaurant results, it will open a new window in which it shows sushi, restaurant for sushi, or it will see all restaurant for sushi. Same here, it's an actionable thing. Clicking on it makes user believe that it is tappable. Okay, same here. The reason we have add primary color because to make it this feel like it's tappable. If we change it to black or blue or green or whatever, it doesn't look like it's tappable. Okay, great. This spacing should be 32. Cards. go to, let's add an component, an icon to our components here. Okay, delete this one, go to plugins, iconify, and the icon we are going to add is credit card icon or a card icon. Card. Yeah, I think this looks fine. Whoa. Change the name to card. Great. Go to design and go to assets, bring our one of the icon and change the name to card. Awesome. And write a text, add credit or debit cards. Click here, shift here. Spacing should be 16 as always, and change the to medium, and we use our button add. Awesome. Let's go to our next section, which is our wallet section. Just copy, select all this, shift alt option, (32) gap. Great. Paytm, change the logo to Paytm. Command X, delete. Paytm. Great. We need to add a subheading to this Paytm. So just copy, we are going to copy this subheading, additional cashback, and paste here. The reason you're seeing like this is because this is aligned horizontally. Okay, click on the Paytm, click on the subheading and create another auto layout between them. This is also right now horizontal layout, make it vertical. Okay, the spacing is too much, we don't want that, make it 0. Awesome. We are not going to say anything fancy, just link your Paytm wallet and change the button from add to link. Great. Same here, copy this, paste here, delete Google Pay and change the name to Mobic Vic. Link your Mobic wallet. I'm not sure about the spelling of Mobic. Please check it out on the net and see if it's right or not. Delete the Google sign. Paste Mobic logo. Yep. Great. Change it from Amazon Pay. Okay, and just delete it. And this is our Amazon icon, Amazon logo. Decrease the size. Come on, man. Yep. Yeah, that's great. I'm just going to clean it up a bit. I think the spacing should be much more between the cards, between the, you know, uh, I think the spacing, click on this, click on this, click on this. Spacing should be 70. I think 70 is fine. Same here, the spacing, make it 70. Okay, this is our payment screen, payment option screen. Okay, now we are going to create our payment preview screen. Okay, well, payment preview screen is usually it comes before some payment option screen. My mistake. So let's create our payment preview screen, and I forgot to add one thing, that is our back button. Did we create a back button? Okay, copy this. Okay, let's delete these all things that we did here. Copy this part, payment options. Maybe we shouldn't have deleted the payment options part. Anyways, this is our give a layout grid, create a rectangle, the same kind of rectangle that we did in the previous screen. Okay, now copy the properties, use Shift Option C to copy the properties. For example, this fill will be white, we will copy the drop shadow, and Shift Command V, sorry, Shift Command V, I think there is a mistake. Shift Command C, Shift Option C, sorry, Shift Option V. Anyways, I think this feature is not working right now. Copy this, Command C, Command V. Great. Bring our location icon, primary, (33 minutes to hotel). Duplicate this one and decrease the size to 14 and semi bold to medium and fill to subheading. Yep. Hayat Regency Delhi. Okay, now move this one a bit, move this one a bit, give the spacing of probably 8 will be fine. Now create a line, 0.75 stroke, change it to subheading, click here, click here, click here, Shift A, the spacing should be 8, it is fine. Now we need to use another of our icon, which is chevron. Remove the fill. Okay, yeah, I think it works. Now duplicate this rectangle here, the spacing should be 24. See, the spacing is 24. Great. Now duplicate this icon, change the icon to offers icon. Where is offer, change the primary to green and 50 saved on this order. Great. Change the fill to green. Spacing 8. Awesome. Now you need to give a stroke of green, fill also green, but detach this one and change the color to something light. And remove the layout grid. Yep, it works very well. Remove the drop shadow. Again, copy this rectangle that we have, spacing should be 24, which is, select this and see 24. And increase the size. Add the item that the user wants to buy. The name of the icon, the name of the item is chili chicken dry. Okay, and this would be some kind of description to the chili chicken. I don't have a description right now, so I'll just add some random description using a content plugin, Lorem Ipsum, apply. Change the fill to subheading. Awesome. Now duplicate this uh, text, customize, change the subheading to text. And we need to use this icon chevron here and put it here. Make it semi bold, maybe more. I think semi bold was fine. Semi bold. Okay. Yeah, this is clickable, this customize, but we didn't change the color to primary. And at times like this, because here we are going to use a button in this screen, there are going to be a lot of areas that we are going to use our primary color. So we don't want to waste our primary color. We don't want to make people confused with lots of color, lots of orange color. So we are giving this. It's not that important because customers already choose what they want as their what they want to eat. So it's very rare that they want to customize it. So it's less priority, that's why you given the black color to this action. Location fill minus text 1. We don't need to do that, just copy this, paste here. Awesome. $50 saved. $50 saved. Just a minute, just give me a minute. Now 389. Okay, what is the total amount? 464. Yeah, whatever, 464, 389. Here will be total amount. Okay, command V and change to 16. Okay, now create a line. Okay, add more items. You can use this button here and change the color to text and create a stroke and give the curve. Yep, this works. Add cooking requests. Great. Now let's go to another section. Oh, we forgot to add one thing, that is our non-veg icon. Awesome. The now next section is our offers less benefits section, and you just need to select this and duplicate using, as I said before, Shift Alt Option, and we, we can use this subheading here, sorry, heading here. The name is offers and benefits. Great. Offers. Change the color to primary. Change the add the name steel deal. That showcases that if you add the steel deal coupon code to the whatever you are buying, you will get a discount. Okay, and give the spacing probably 1 or maybe none. None is fine. 0. And you can add a text here that's called apply to spacing 0. You may have noticed that whenever we are using a button, a text button, something like this, we are using capital letters to make it consistent. So yeah, so whenever if you are making it capital, so make every other buttons capital. If you are making it with small case, then make every other button small case. Save another 110 on this order. make it 14. Yep. Change is to dash. Paste here. Again, we can use stroke, our original stroke color. Okay, yeah, this works very well. View more coupons. Ship chevron. Yep. Okay, now we create another section called tip your delivery partner, delivery partner. Okay, let's increase the size of the screen height and write it down. Thank your delivery partner by leaving them a tip. 100% of the tip will go to your delivery partner. Change the text size to 14. Give it medium. Okay, now we need to give some options that okay, how much amount you want to give to the delivery partner. Give a stroke, give the stroke of stroke, and give it white, and give the effect, give a curve of 4, ten. Yep. Now duplicate this, duplicate, duplicate. Command D to duplicate. Nice. 20. Copy our rupee icon and paste 20. $30, and here we'll write a note that suggests this has been most tipped. Fill primary most tipped 10. I think we need to increase the width of every of this. Select this one, bring it together, bring it near, bring it near. Select all these boxes and okay. Most tip. Then minimum text will go as 12. Okay, don't go below 12. $50. More. Great. Now we need to add another section that's called delivery section, delivery instruction section, delivery instruction. Let's give our layout grid. It will help. And create a rectangle, create a R, square, duplicate this, duplicate. Yep. Copy the properties of this section, this rectangle, Option Command C, select all this, Option Command V. Yep, that's what I was trying to do and before, and I was not able to. Maybe I was using Shift button rather than Command button. Okay, anyways, to copy the properties, use Option Command C, and pasting the properties, Option Command V. When you do that, you copy all the properties. For example, this rectangle has white fill, this rectangle has a drop down, drop shadow. You will copy exactly what it, if it had a stroke, you will also copy it and paste it that stroke using this shortcut. Now let's go to layers, components. We need to add some more icons here. We need to add 4 icons, so let's create 4 boxes. This name will be bell. The name of this will be direction. The name of this will be door. The name of this icon will be phone. Okay, let's see if we can find icons for both all of these in Iconify. Bell, I think bell, we can find the bell. Bell ring. Okay, yeah, this one works. Door. Yeah, I think door also works. Direction, we'll use this one. And phone, we'll use this one. Command X, delete this icon, paste here. decrease the size. Yep, this is our bell icon, and Command X, delete this. This is our direction though. This is our door. This is our door, and direction, Command X. This is our direction here. Paste it here. Direction. Great. And this is our bell. This is our door. Delete this. This is phone. Okay, all right. Now we did this. Let's go to layers, design, delivery instructions, avoid ringing bell, change this to 14. Great. Medium. Leave at the door. Okay, duplicate this and we'll write directions to reach. Okay, avoid calling. Amazing. Now let's go to assets and bring our icon here and change the bell 32. This will be leave it at door. Yep. Directions to reach, use our direction icon. Go to main component, layers, design, go to assets, bring our icon here, door, $22. Okay, now go to assets, bring our icon here. The name will be directions, and this will also be 32. Use shift plus option to increase the size of the icons, okay? Otherwise it won't increase proportionally. Avoid calling. Phone. Okay, great. Now we are going to create the section called build details section. bill details section. Okay, here item total, rupees 464. Delivery fee $6.3 kilometers. $15.00. Okay, let's give a line here. Give this line 0.5 stroke and dash. Great. Create another line here and give this line stroke, or maybe this one will be better. Paste this color. Okay, delivery tip, add tip, platform fee 3, GST and restaurant charges 56. Give it a stroke color and make it dash. Nice. To pay, whatever total is, I'll just write 464. My maths is weak. remove layout grid, and write the text called review your order and address details to avoid cancellations, and copy this rectangle here and write note: if you cancel within 60 seconds of placing, I think 14 would be better, 60 seconds of placing your order, a 100% refund will be issued. No refund for cancellation made after 60 seconds. Great. Medium. Change this color to red and add a action button called read cancellation policy. Change this color to primary. Great. Now our last section of the screen, which will be a floating section, but we are getting at the end. Just copy the properties of this one. Option Command C, Option Command V. Great. Click this one and align it properly as our layout is aligned. View, view, detail, bill. Make it green. Awesome. Let's use this button that we have created here. Duplicate using Option and tap. Proceed to pay. And change this to green. Great. Now we can remove our layout grid and let's create another section, which is our subscription section. Okay, this is an easy one, not much complicated. Now change the first of all fill to BG. Copy this status bar, paste here. You can copy this section plus this plus section that we created previously. Copy here, paste it here. Okay. Okay, you need to change the color to blue. And create this circle and bring it here. And change this circle fill to BG and make this blue a little more darker. Yeah. Hungry Hub Plus. Great. Okay, give a layout grid of layout grid. Okay, now save 50 on every order. This is what every plus member saved on delivery fees. 16. Yeah. Now duplicate this one. First month free. Shift A and give a fill. Give the curve. Make the text white. Give some more padding. 16 padding. 8. Yeah, I think this works well. Shift A. The gap between them will be 8. Yeah, that's done. Lock this circle here so it won't disturb when we are designing. Plus perks. $20. Unlimited free deliveries. Subheading to text and make it bold. Create a text and there will be some kind of, okay, just add it. Unlimited free deliveries. Change the text size to 14. Make it medium on your favorite restaurants. Okay. Avoid extra, fees, exclusive, promos. Let's bring our resources, use our resources here. We are going to use this three, copy, design. Great. Now create a rectangle, size 120, height will be 120, and copy, or let's copy our properties from this rectangle that we created earlier. Copy properties, paste here. Great. And remove our layout grid. And we can also use our button which we have used here and paste here. Great. We may want to increase the height to 12. Try for no, just change and left and right. Now this button size is fixed. Try for free. First month free, then 2000 per month. Let's copy our rupees icon. Medium. Great. Let's do our last screen of this video, which is our profile screen. This screen is also easy screen, so let's get that done. Delete this all and give the name profile. Change this name to subscription. Profile. Oh, my spelling mistakes are too much. Profile. Okay. Layout grid. Create a rectangle. Copy this, paste here. Save 50 on every order. Same thing as here. try for free. Well, okay, now give a fill of, give a gradient. Decrease the opacity to 80. Great. Now what we need to do here is copy this rectangle that we created in the payment option screen and paste here. And we need to use the same kind of subheading that we used, 16 pop-in, semi-bold 16. Bring it here. Okay, and the name is account. Name, kitten ellipse, size 32. Give the spacing of 10. Give it BG. Email. Stroke. I think no stroke. I think we need to add another stroke to our list. Stroke 2. Great. We are going to use stroke 2, which is much lighter stroke. Okay. Name, John Doe. john.doe@gmail.com. Make it regular. I think medium would be better. Medium. Select this section and duplicate. The spacing between this two sections will be 32, which is what we have here, 32. Food orders. Your orders. Delete. Let's go to our assets, bring our icon that says Chevron. Great. your orders, favorite orders, address book, online ordering help, duplicate, same, the spacing between these two sections will be 32. Great. Choose language, about, send, feedback, settings, one more, which is logout. Great. And in the end we'll write made in India with, let's go to our plugins, Iconify, Heart, made in India with love. Awesome. And we need to give icons for all this area. We need to give icon for name, email, your name. Okay, so that's what we are going to do here. Go to file, let's go to components. We are going to create 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 of the new components. Let's get started. Plugins, Iconify, first name, we will use this one for name. Email, we'll use this one for email. Order, we'll use this icon as a for orders. Now favorite, we have heart, we'll use heart for favorite orders. Address book, we are going to use this one for address book. I think these two looks very similar, so we are going to use different one. I think this one will work better. Address book. Now help, help will be our very common question icon. Now choose language. Language is also very like common icon we use for language, which is this icon, language. Okay, okay, language. About, about is our info icon. This is icon we are going to use for about. Now about feedback icon. Yep, this icon for feedback. Now settings, this icon for settings, and last one is logout. For logout we are going to use this one. Okay, so let's how 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We have 10 new icons, so let's create 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Great. Let's delete this one and add our name icon. And give the name Variant 27 name. Great. Delete this frame. Our email icon. Email. Awesome. This is our orders icon. This is our address book icon. Yup. ADDRESS address book icon. Okay. And here do we have our help icon. Delete this one. Add help. Help icon. Okay. Now we have language icon. Let's create our language. Let's decrease the stroke. Probably 1.75 will work better. Maybe 1.5. Yup. Language. About icon. And this is our feedback. Feedback icon. Okay. This is our settings. And at the end, our logout. Logout. Well, I'm very excited to use these icons in our design. So let's get to the design page. Bring one of the icon. Yep. Name. Easy peasy. Email. See, this is why we create uh, components. It really helps in our design process. Orders. Heart. Yep. Book. Address book. Help. Nope. Help, 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 help. Great. Language. We get complications like this sometimes, so whenever this happens, bring a new icon and start over. um, Language, change the color to subheading. Awesome. About. Great. Send feedback. Amazing. Now our settings. And last of all, our logout. Logout. Yep, we have successfully created our four of our screens that we were destined to do today. And yeah, if you have any questions, please comment down the video. If you have any suggestion for the videos, please also comment down for that. And like and subscribe to the channel. And because I'll be uploading this kind of videos every second or third day. Okay. So yeah, see you in the next video for the part 5 of this series, food delivery application. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.